Key Security Systems presents a tech support video. How to change the battery in a PowerMaster touchscreen keypad. The KP-160 PG2. You will need 4 AA batteries per device and a small flathead and Phillips screwdriver. To remove the keypad from the bracket, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the retaining screw at the bottom of the device. Then slide the keypad upwards and lift it off the mounting bracket. Be careful as to not lose the retaining screw. After removing the keypad from the bracket, you may receive a tamper alert from your alarm. You can unplug the telephone lead before you start. This will stop the system from calling anybody. Once you have completed the battery change, wait 5 minutes before plugging the telephone lead back in to ensure it has finished the calling cycle. Alternatively, if you do receive a phone call from the system, answer the call and press the number 2 on your phone's keypad to stop it calling the next number. Turn the keypad over. We now need to prise open the battery cover. Insert the small flathead screwdriver into the small notch on the bottom of the cover. Gently twist to pop it open. Remove the old batteries. Then you can insert the new batteries, positioning the positive and negative ends of the battery properly during replacement. You can then put the battery cover back on, ensuring that the top plastic locating lugs are aligned, and then snap it firmly back together. The device is then remounted by first aligning the top and then sliding it down into place. Then reinsert and tighten the retaining screw. Check the panel to make sure the amber trouble light has gone off. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecuritysystemsltd.com.